I'm Michael Drake, President of the University of California. It's an honor to congratulate the winners of this year's IPM Achievement Awards. And I'm so proud that two are within the University of California. The UC Master Gardeners of Ventura County have done amazing work to advance integrated pest management through focused outreach and education across the county. Their multilingual outreach ensures greater access for all gardeners, and they are carrying out important invasive species prevention and habitat restoration work that benefits the rare and native species of the Channel Islands and the Santa Monica Mountains. Anyone who has ever visited UC Santa Cruz knows what a special place it is, and its natural ecosystem is a central part of its beauty. The grounds services professionals there have demonstrated truly commendable dedication and skill in the way they care for this land. They have served as leaders across our university system in their early adoption of integrated pest management practices that not only protect the campus ecosystem, but also provide an economic benefit by saving resources. Both of these efforts are wonderful examples of the University of California's public service mission in action. We couldn't be prouder of these awards and the people being honored. Thank you to the California Department of Pesticide Regulation and to the California Environmental Protection Agency. We at the University of California are grateful for our strong partnership with the state. Together, we can find creative new approaches to keep our land, water, and communities healthy and safe. Thank you, and in the words of the motto of the University of California, Fiat Lux, or Let There Be Light.